In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to control access to a file in Canva so you can decide who can view, edit, or use your designs. This is extremely useful if you're working with clients, team members, or anyone you want to share a Canva file with securely. Whether you want someone to only view your design, edit it, or simply use it as a template, Canva gives you full control. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account where your file is stored. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see all of your recent designs, folders, and projects displayed. From here, click on any file of your choice that you want to control access for. This can be a presentation, social media post, document, or any other Canva design. When the file opens, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where all the access and permission settings are located. After clicking Share, a panel will open, showing who currently has access to the file. Here, you'll see an Access Level section that displays who can view or edit the design. Click on this Access Level section to see more options. Now look for the option that says Anyone with the link. This setting controls what people can do when you share the design link with them. Click on Anyone with the link and you'll see different permission options. You can choose whether people with the link can view the design, comment on it, edit it, or use it as a template. Click on the Edit section next to this option and set it according to your needs. For example, if you don't want anyone making changes, choose View Only. If you're collaborating with a team member, you can choose Edit. If you're sharing a reusable design, selecting Use as a Template is a great option. Once you've selected the correct access level, double-check that everything looks right. This step is important because it ensures your file isn't accidentally edited or misused. After confirming your settings, click on Copy Link. Canva will now copy the shareable link with the exact access permissions you selected. You can now share this link with anyone, and they'll only be able to use the file based on the settings you applied. And that's it! You've successfully controlled access to a file in Canva and shared it safely with the right permissions. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your designs while still collaborating efficiently. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.